Today we're looking at the Xplorer Pro Grip from Insta360. Right now I have the cinematic lens on for testing. This is an extra piece. This does not come included with the grip. This is an extra piece you would buy for sun protection. And it has a magnetic backing you glue on right here, and then it sticks right on. You can take it off when you want to. And I'll show you what that looks like. So I'll put it in the description below if you're interested in this. This will give you some shade if you're out in the bright sun so you can see what you're filming. No glare, nothing like that. You can close it back up nice and easy. If you don't want it, just do that. Just get rid of it. This is about the Pro Xplorer grip. This is what everyone's excited for because it takes an ordinary action camera and turns it into a mirrorless camera feel to it. So you just slide this baby right in, and then this USB-C port goes right inside here. That allows the protection to be around the port just in case you get a splash, and we're locked in. This does unscrew, so if you want to put your own type of shutter button on top, you can do that. And this is your zoom switch right here. It's your input for your microphone. You want to add a microphone on top here, you can do that. So this is the Pro Grip. What is the Pro Grip? Basically, it gives you power. So there is power within here, charges your camera. So if you're getting low on battery here, 2-in-1 shot, plug it in here, treat it like a regular camera with a nice grip, and then there you go. So it gives you a different feel for it, walking around, doing like street photography. I think one of the best lenses so far I've used for street photography and a different look is the wide angle lens. And we'll get into that later on, but just to let you know. Anyway, button wise on the side here, we have a charging port to charge the grip itself. This right here is not anything, it's just a holder. It holds your micro SD card right in there. Metal construction, rubber feel all the way around. It fits your standard that is included with your Ace Pro, so that connects right there. It does give it some weight, no doubt about that. Here you go. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Hold this button down to power on the unit, and then this menu will pop up here where you learn more. I'm trying to find out a way to get rid of this because it keeps popping up every time I do this. It tells you what the different buttons do. The shutter button, a short press, stop press for long recording, a long press to basically to shut down or to turn on your camera. Your zoom lever, your dial up here, this is adjustable what you want it to do. I have mine set to turn to different modes right now. So I have the mode settings, so I could change that to adjust the EV, adjust the shutter speed, the ISO, or the white balance on the fly. So right now I have the cinematic lens on, which only gives you two options, photo and for video. If I had other options, it would scroll right through them all. And then we have our zoom button here, which I don't think you can actually do with the cinematic lens. No, you can't zoom with that lens on. This is very different. To come up with this idea of thinking, let's turn our action camera into like a mirrorless camera to give them that feel for it. It's pretty inventive. You have your cold shoe up here. You can add whatever you want, a light, a microphone, whatever you can put up there if you want to. So it gives you many options. So that is the Xplorer Pro Grip. Let's see what's all is in the box. So in the box, you have instructions, and then I have not even opened this up yet. Oh, an extra. This is good because mine actually came off because it came unscrewed. This is an extra button in case you lose it. Pretty nice Insta360. And a nice lanyard here that you can use on pretty much any camera. It's pretty large on this one. They've been making a bunch of these, and this is the biggest one I've seen when it comes to size. So holding on to your camera. Easy on, easy off. Nice big strap here that's adjustable. And you can put on your wrist. All right, so deep inside here is that little red plug. It's a little red plug to make sure we don't get any water into that area. That is your Xplorer Pro Grip from Insta360. Links are down below if you're interested, but it makes the camera a lot different and a lot more fun to play with, especially for photography with that zoom button.